Whether it's for your business or for a client, you'll soon be designing business cards. Let's learn how. Starting from the home screen, click Business Card. It might look big on your screen, but remember, in reality, this printed piece fits in the palm of your hand. This design looks great. From the template options here, click Apply Both Pages. In the menu underneath, you'll see 2 pages. Notice how one side is about brand and color and the other more informative? This is a great approach. Let's call these the front and back. Now, refine the card front. What typeface would suit this business? With the text box selected, use the drop-down menu to find a new font. Here's one that might work. Now, edit the color palette. Select the background, and in the toolbar, click the color tile. Choose a ready-made swatch or something custom by clicking here. This color is perfect. Make the type white like this, so it feels lighter and fresher. Now select the pictogram. Notice how commonly used swatches appear under document colors? That's a handy shortcut. Let's use this color. Now, look at the layout. Increase the pictogram size by clicking and dragging the handles. Use the handy alignment guide and move it to the horizontal center of the card. Reduce the width of the text box so it isn't so wide. Group items to keep them together and avoid things moving. Hold down the Shift key. Select both objects, then right-click and select Group. Done! Now move to the card back. Using one font across the card will help achieve a sense of consistency. First, ungroup these text boxes by pressing this keyboard shortcut. With all the text boxes individually selected, make them the same font. Is there some social info? Make a new text box and type in the Instagram handle. To ensure people recognize the social link, find an Instagram icon. In the Elements tab, type in Instagram. Note, some elements have a crown icon. This means they're paid elements included in Canva Pro. This one looks good. Drag it over and adjust the objects to keep a clean alignment. And this color will make it stand out. Nice. Small, simple steps in hierarchy can be very effective. Hit the uppercase button and make the person's name the regular version of the font. Take the bold formatting off the instructor. See, a simple weight change is a handy technique for subtle yet effective hierarchy. Business cards need to balance readability and space. Text should be legible, but not so big that everything feels cramped. The minimum size we use for a business card text is 6 point, depending on the typeface. Adjust the size, weight, and letter space of the contact details. Okay. This is looking good. Once you're happy, send it to the client for a sign-off. Click on the Share button. You can directly enter their email or share a link. Involve your client in the process. They need to check all the details and that the spelling is correct. Once it's approved, we're ready to print. Did you know you can print with Canva? Select the options that suit. In this case, we want double-sided. Premium paper and an uncoated finish will have a nice, organic feel. Choose the quantity and click Continue. Printers aim to ensure cards are trimmed correctly, but things may move slightly. Creating bleed means including extra color around the edges of the artwork so it can be safely trimmed. Do that like this. Canva helps check the danger zone, ensuring your text and elements are a safe distance from the card edge. Make sure you check both sides of the card and download a proof here. And there you have it.